So good morning all of you. In this video I am going to solve the differential equation dou u by dou x is equal to 2 into dou u by dou t plus u using variable separable method. Okay, so let us take u is a function of x into t of t. So u can be replaced into x of x and t of t, where x is a function of x and t is a function of t. Okay, so now let us differentiate this one, then we will get u dash is equal to, while here this equation number 2 is differentiating with us partially. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Let us differentiate this equation number 2 partially with respect to x and with respect to t. While differentiation with respect to x, t is taken as a constant, while differentiation t, x is taken as a constant. So now, first I am differentiating this one, so it will be x dash and t is constant, write it as it is, plus differentiate this one, so then we will get t dash and write it, and x is a constant. Okay, so take this as equation number 3. So now put this equation number 3 in equation number 1. So here dou u by dou x, so this u is a function of x. So now here put this equation, put this value, so x dash t is equal to 2 into, here dou u, this u is a function of t. So now here now I am going to substitute this equation here, so that is t dash x plus u is nothing but x into t. Take this as equation number 4. Okay, so now I am going to rearrange this equation number 4, that is x dash t minus x into t is equal to 2 t dash into x. Here t is constant, take that outside, so then you will get x dash x into t is equal to 2 t dash x. Okay, so now I am going to separate variable from this equation number 5. Okay, so then this equation number 5 can be rearranged into x dash x minus x divided by x is equal to 2 t dash divided by t. Okay, so next equate this equations into some constant. So k separately, so separately I am equating these two equations into some constant k to simplify this equation. So that is x dash minus x divided by x is equal to k, and 2 t dash divided by t is equal to k. Here k is our constant. Now, so see, you can easily simplify this one like this: x dash divided by x minus x divided by x is equal to k, and this x gets cancelled, so x dash divided by x minus 1 is equal to k, and x dash divided by x is equal to k plus 1. Okay, so next, so now to get the solution I am going to integrate this one. So after integrating we will get, so this is in the form of dx divided by x. So integration of 1 by x means log x, so log x is equal to k plus 1 is a constant. So after integrating we will get x plus some integration constant log c1. Next, so log x, so after getting this log c left side, then we will get log c1 is equal to k plus 1 into x. This is in the form of log m minus log n. Log m minus log n can be written as log of m by n. So we will get log k by c1 is equal to k plus 1 into x, and k by c1 is equal to exponential power of k plus 1 into x. Okay, next okay, so k plus 1 into x. Okay, so x is equal to c1 into e power k plus 1. So now we have to find a solution for t. Okay, for this one. Next, so I am going to integrate that one, then you will get, see, t dash divided by t is equal to some constant k, and t dash divided by t is equal to k by 2. Again integrate. After integrating we will get log t is equal to k by 2 into x, k by 2. So you are integrating with respect to t, so k by 2 into t plus some integration constant log c2. Next, so again log t minus log c2 is equal to k by 2 into t. So log t by c2 is equal to k by 2 into t. Again t by c2 is equal to exponential power of k by 2 into t. 1 by log e can be written as exponential power. So exponential power of k by 2 into t. So then t is equal to c2 into e power k by 2 into t. So now put this equation and this t and x in equation number 2. So then we will get u is equal to c1 c2 into e power k plus 1 into x and e power k by 2 into t. So this is the solution for the differential equation, equation number 1. So this is the solution. So u is equal to c1 c2 e power k plus 1 into x and exponential power of k by 2 into t. Okay.